The root principles of AI are actually found in nature, but the word nature is a fast and loose term. We use it so often we do not realize that the term is a smokescreen for the complex interplay of physical, biological, and chemical life. The word nature can mean the capacity to become something: quark, a cell, a bird, or a complex human, which means that nature has the capacity for multivalent forms. It is infinitely malleable and hence plastic. Biological life is anything but mechanistic. Nature is more flow than fixed. Nature, as Talbot writes, is an unbearable wholeness of being.